Hello and welcome to NessMacrameStudio. In this video, I'll show you a beautiful and practical knot that will neatly gather multiple cords into one secure bundle. It's called the barrel knot, strong, decorative, and perfect for finishing macrame designs. Here's how to tie it. Gather all the cords you want to bring together into a single bundle. Hold them firmly so they stay aligned. Select one cord from the bundle. Make sure it's long enough to wrap several times around the group. This will be your working cord. Position the cord so it points downward, then bring it back up to form a small loop alongside the bundle. Begin wrapping the working cord tightly around the bundle, starting just above the loop. Keep your wraps neat and snug, stacking them closely together without crossing. Take your time. Precision here makes the knot look professional. When you've made the desired number of wraps, pass the working end through the loop you created at the beginning. Tighten the knot by gently pulling the working end that you passed through the loop until it locks securely inside the wraps. Let the remaining length of the working cord hang down naturally with the rest of the cords. From here, you can trim the cords to your planned length for a clean fringe, or comb them out to create a soft, elegant tassel for a decorative finish. This simple but powerful knot will give your macrame pieces a polished, cohesive look, and once you've mastered it, you'll find yourself using it in many designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next macrame ideas and tips from NessMacrameStudio.